Hello guys, this is Mohan Chaitanya here. In this video, let's try to understand what is HTML, what it stands for, what is the syntax of HTML, why do we use HTML, what is HTML tag, what is HTML element. Let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. With this help of HTML, we will create some web pages. It consists of a series of elements, and these elements tells the browser how to display the content. Let's see what is HTML syntax. Whatever you see in the screen, it is a basic HTML syntax. It has a doc exclamation, doc type, and HTML as a first line, and it has some HTML head, body, and then another HTML. Let's try to understand what is a tag. HTML tag starts with a less than symbol, HTML tag name, which is here HTML, and a greater than symbol. These tags are of two types: starting tag and an ending tag. Let's see what is HTML element. HTML element is defined by a starting tag, some content, and ending tag. Let's see the head HTML element. It has a starting tag, some content. Here we didn't write some content, we will write some content later. And then ending tag. In ending tag, we had a forward slash. Let's try to understand about body element. Whatever we write inside the body element, it will be displayed in the HTML browser or a web page. Let's try to add some content inside the body element. Some content. Let's try to run this. See, we can saw the some content text displayed in the output screen. Likewise, we can add any text or any content inside the body. It will appear in the output screen or a web page. Let's try to add another content, like this is my first video. Let's try to run this. See, we have the same content what we written inside the body. It is appearing in the web page or the output screen. Let's try to add three HTML elements to the web page. The first HTML element is the main heading, second one is paragraph, and third one is button. Let's try to understand how can we add these three elements into the web page. As I said, the first one is the main heading. Main heading. Right? For the main heading, we have a HTML tag or the HTML element to describe the main heading, and the tag is nothing but h1, and as it is as h1 is a tag, we have to enclose with an angular brackets. This is the starting tag, and we have to add an ending tag too. Let's try to run this. See, the font size is much bigger than the previous text what we add inside. With the help of this h1, tag or this h1 element, we can create main heading in the web pages. Let's try to add a paragraph. As the main heading has a HTML tag, the paragraph will have also a separate HTML tag, and that HTML tag is nothing but a P. Let's try some content. Let's try to run this. See, the some content is appearing a bit smaller font compared to the main heading. And let's try to add a button to the HTML page. And the tag we use it to create a button in the HTML is button tag. Let's try to add some button. Click. Let's run this. See, here we created a button with using these HTML tags or HTML elements. We can simply add these HTML elements into the web page. To summarize, we have learned what is HTML, what is the purpose of HTML, what is the syntax of HTML, what is a tag, what is element. In this video, we have learned three types of elements, which is first one is the main heading. Here we can see the first one is the main heading, and second one is the paragraph, how to add a paragraph, and last one is the button.